up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while for me. I got Rich with me. Haven't made a video in a long time.
He got
very
spoiled
long
with the
time. You know, work, you know, kids, blah blah blah. Yeah.
The Wrench Heads lifestyle.
Yeah, but I'm back on the channel doing a couple videos for you today. But this episode, we're going to reveal the project car that we bought recently. It did cost us a little bit more than what we expect.
Yeah. But
the body's good, the engine's good, everything runs, and it's perfect. You know, perfect setup. So, Rich, I want you to bring the car around and show them.
Bruh.
Yes. Clean body. The trunk opens, the hood opens.
This is a rare find. No, we paid a little bit more than we probably should have for it. Yeah. But I think it's gonna come out great.
And it came with vinyl stickers.
Yo, that's at least an extra 5 horsepower.
Yep.
Alright, let's show them the real thing.
Alright, so let's turn this around. Show you. Let me get a better view of this. Anyone know what this is? Let me know, because I don't. It's a 97 Impreza. Yes, 5-speed.
It's got some built-in aerodynamics.
As you can see, it's been sitting for a long time.
At least 10 years.
The inspection sticker right here, 417. So at least
like 5 years, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at least like there now. Yeah. Not bad. Besides, you know, a little bit of cleanup, whatever. Paint job still barely fresh. Antenna still works, which is good for your radio.
That's how you know you JDM, baby.
Not bad for a project car, you know. Closer look, yeah. Tail light is busted, yeah. Minor rust right there, surface rust right there. A little bit of surface rust right here. But no, not bad at all.
One thing I like about this car is that I used to want this body style. The two-door, like the original,
like the RS.
Yeah, like the original Rally Series version. I used to love this. The coupe. Oh my God, I used to want one of these so bad.
Guess how much this thing weighs?
Probably like 2,200 pounds.
A little off, a little higher than that.
Like 25, 27?
28.
28?
That's like a Honda.
Yo, for real. For real, yo. This is old school JDM. This ain't like this ain't your newer.
Yeah, this ain't this heavy. This heavy
these
thing.
Bitches is heavy. But this sucker super light and it's all wheel.
Yeah.
Yo, I want you to show them this shifter. The shift boot. This is so old school. This
Matter of fact, let's clean this. Wait, we're gonna clean this off first. I'm gonna give it a quick wash. We're gonna move it back, and then we're gonna show you the inside of the car.
Let's do it.